Hello, hello, Anna Malimon here, and I'm really excited to be here with you once again. Watching the So let me know. I hope the sound is good. And either way, I know I'm pretty sure you can hear me. Typically, it works well. Otherwise, I wanted to say hello to everyone watching, and I wanted to wish you a wonderful day, a wonderful week. I hope that it's amazing for each and every one of you, regardless of what the real weather looks like outside, right? Because I'll tell you what, it's sunny outside for us today. Well, typically it is on most days, but today is especially sunny and beautiful. And on those days, you kind of have always something to really look forward to, especially when it's sunny. You kind of you have like this amazing mood, right? And like my kids, for example, they went out to the zoo with several other kids, and they had something to look forward to. They were complete, working on their schoolwork, really, productively all morning. It's really cool to see them, when they're looking forward to something, they're really being productive and effective, and they're, really helpful and all that. And I think it's the same way for us, when we have something to look forward to. We're more productive, we are more excited, and we're more out there showing up and taking action. What about on the days that we when we don't have as much action going on? What about on the days that we don't get results? Because let's be honest here. Not every single day, is a good like green day. Like if you take a look at the stock market, it's been red like last couple days, and then some things go to green, and so it's the same in life. The traffic light is not always green. It turns red, it's yellow, it changes colors. And in life, as I mentioned in one of my previous posts, the wheel is churning. Sometimes we're down here, and then as it churns we get up, to the top, and then it's churning. It's never going to stay in one position, and it's never going to be the same, or always amazing, or always horrible. So it's our journey, and everybody's journey is different. That's why when we're sharing our journeys, when we share our stories, there's people that resonate with us, there's people that connect with us, because we're all humans, right? And so, different people come connect on different in different ways. And so somebody might say the exact same thing that I'm saying, but it'll resonate either better or worse with you, because that, it's the way, that you connect with that person specifically. So, you know, if you're not getting results in your business, it does not give you an excuse not to go out there and continue to hustle and do what you have to do to get those results, because, we may think that, I have nothing to look forward to. I don't feel like I can do this. This is just not for me. It's just not working out. Well, it's not true. Don't listen to that voice inside your head. What I am super excited about, you guys, I have a program coming out that I am working on launching out March 1st. So be on the lookout for that. It is specifically designed for anyone who is looking to have results in their business on a low budget. If you have a product or service that you're offering, but you don't have a big budget to start with, I have the perfect solution for you. Same thing if you don't have a product or, or a service, you don't know where to start, but you really, really want to work online, or you want to, whatever program that you're currently working with. Let's say you can't afford ClickFunnels. I have like a loophole, I guess you could say, that I have, come up with, that will give you results, will give you the solution that you are looking for, because I know that not everybody starts off and is automatically making hundreds of dollars or thousands of dollars, or all of a sudden I just started with some program, and now I'm a six-figure earner. That's not reality, and we all know that, you know. So for you to see results, for you to start with a low budget. It's totally possible. There is a solution out there for you guys, and I'm going to bring it to you. March 1st is my launch date. So I have so many things I still have yet to accomplish and, to put together, but I'm super excited. So be on the lookout for that. I will do several more lives, and what I'm going to do is I have offered this to my team first. So I will allow 10 people to get into the program at no cost whatsoever. The first 10 people that reach out to me, people on my team, will be the first to get in. Obviously, sorry, but I can favor, right, or do specials like that. So that's the offer out there. Otherwise, for the rest of you, it's going to be an amazing program, and you'll love it. You'll see. You'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Also, you guys, if you missed the webinar that I announced about last week, how our team is making from 500 to 12,500. There's everybody making different ranks, different paychecks. But if you want to see what the wealth strategy is that I'm, presenting, and that actually one of my mentors is doing the webinar, and he has a really awesome top earner guest that's going to be joining him. I don't know if you know him, but I will, I'll post in the comments the link for you to register for the webinar if you want to. If you missed last week's webinar, you don't want to miss this one. So go ahead and register, check it out. It's definitely an asset you want to have. And yes, I am talking about silver and gold. I am personally collecting these, and I'm excited. And, being that it's tax season, you get to write off your membership fees, you guys. Keep your coins. It's amazing. So reach out to me. Let me get you, just check in the comments below, and I will get you the registration link to the webinar. It's happening tomorrow, and I'll post the details below as well. So I am so grateful for all of you guys, for everyone who has joined me, who's watching me live. And I just want to wish you an amazing day. And I hope that no matter where you are in your life, in your journey, what part of the wheel you're at, wherever, it doesn't matter. Just keep your head up and know that if there's clouds, the sun will come out eventually. It's going to be okay. You will see results soon. And if not, there's so many people that are willing to help you, me being one of them. So I hope you have an amazing day. And I just want to say that I'm here to support you, and I believe in you. And I know that everything will be just fine. Have an awesome day. God bless. Bye bye.